Alright, here's the piles of snow going up Main Street. It's really pretty remarkable. This is the most snow I've seen on Main Street ever. Here it is. Piles and piles. They've got to be 12 feet high as we're walking up Main Street. And it's still snowing.